For installing Java, first of all we need to download the JDK 23. Since my machine is 64-bit, that's why I download the 64-bit installer file from the Oracle, and we are going to set up this by opening this JDK 23 60 Windows 64 bin.exe file. Just open it using administrator right. It will install within a minute. It doesn't take any time. So after that we will see a window, and Windows is installing, and then click next. uh, Actually we don't need to change this, since I'm happy with this location where Java is going to be installed. If you want, you can change it. It's up to you. Click next, and Java is going to be installed on our machine within a minute or less than a minute. So after completing, it's a Java 23 Java Development Kit 23.0.1 is successfully installed. Now we need to check whether its installation is okay or not. Go to the program files and go to the Java folder, and we see the JDK 23 is installed. We need to check whether it's already set up with our environment variable. We just open the command prompt and then write Java version. It shows Java is installed, and also check Java C. It also shows something that means the Java is successfully installed on our machine. You don't need to configure the environment variable because Java 23 version automatically configure the environmental variable. Thanks for watching.